burn the houses, burn the most offices, and get most Chinese people away. And after that, right after that, then she went there and worked there for 3 months. Then she found out that, wow, because the Chinese are so rich, and Indonesian people are so poor, and all the hard work are done by Indonesian people. And the Chinese don't do any dirty work. They are, super high up. That they enjoy everything because they have all the money. And then so she said that's why Indonesian people doesn't like Chinese people. She accept that, she understand that. 所以嗱，你講緊呢段咁嘅故事咧，既然係咁咧，咁我補充一句，其實而家我咁樣喺孤兒院咧，我就令到咧第日排華咧都冇咁嚴重，因為我去服務緊佢哋啊嘛，我同佢哋有好嘅交流啊嘛，係嘛？第日再排華，你起碼佢哋孤兒院唔會。起碼你行入去，政府院叫你唔好咁樣做，係嘛？你諗下。
同埋我覺得佢哋會變咗大使嘅。
冇錯。
因為佢嚟咗交流咧，佢對中國人啊，對我哋好認識。咁佢可以即係話翻俾佢哋啲人。
冇錯，係啊，佢哋又變咗先人嘅大使。所以嗱，好似周星馳嗰度濟公咁，後尾搞掂晒之後，濟公咪升做專者嘅，係嘛？跟住選港姐咁啊，得咗後官啊嘛，係咪？有咩願望啊？宣揚友愛，
係咯，
宣揚
係咯。
宗教就應該係咁。好啦，咁今日我哋嘅茶禪就到呢度啦嚇。大家如果喜歡嘅話，你可以一齊合掌去做簡單嘅回響。大家請合掌。
We do it. Feel free.
If you like, yeah, we.
If you want to, yeah. Do you?
願以此功德，
願以此功德，
普及於一切，我等與眾生，皆共成佛道。今日嘅茶食到呢度結束嚇，咁大家可以自由活動，一陣間6點鐘食晚飯。佢哋影相好啊！This camera, we will invite you to.
I give you 3 photos
and
put out your
picture. 有蛋撻食你可影嘛
You guys want to try
蛋撻 because I hope you have tried that before. Come over.
young people come here。
我買得唔夠多嘅。
等佢哋搞到先，你而家趕住走啊？
唔係，應該你幫佢打人㗎。
有師傅話可以結緣啊，唔舒服啊，
This is very typical.
我呢度有大量生產，需要一支。
Have you tried the
嗰個
local?
偏台，
我哋知俾你。師傅係咪有？
呢個唔係邊睇㗎？
Oh, you have tried.
可以我偏台嗰啲。
誒叫咪就有啲油啊？
係啊，呢度啊，
呢度。
姐姐唔係好，姐姐唔好意思，唔係好多。
自己請嚇，呢係。
So you are losing weight. Are you losing weight? Losing weight means figure is getting heavier, but you are getting thinner. You are losing weight. You know what? You should speak more English. Try to speak more English. So you are going to a boat trip tomorrow.
俾公司俾佢之後咧，
Do you think you will
記得刪啲。